jing snow sarong yelau nong mi khamat pajma kinong yelam ke NPP jirang block menta kasni taka jing sarong kila pen ko buram yo ba sustenance sotun ubade MLA but MDC ke jirang constituency bala shajet ko menteri sarkar pan pet ya ketanat community and rural development haka jilla ba kum kinong yelam ki ket bok ket rupiang ba undang la bantrai khamha om tangi pajba ke jirang constituency pada Ribhoi district pat ke jilla hi barok away hakani kesni kinong ai jingkran na kinong yelam ke NPP jirang block pat na Ribhoi kila ai ke jingiro ka bakraw yo pa sasana sotun alor ke jing shakri ka bola wanra ka jingkala ha jirang constituency ba dealing ba ka jingtari shitam pat ai ke jingkit clear la sakhi ba kidan shibon ki jingkala ha ka roi ka par hapo ki shinong ki taw ka jirang constituency na du paula shajet kum unong mi khmat pat ba kinong yelam ke NPP na jirang pat na Ribhoi tang ba kilay ro iki kam ki baula dep bantrei ha jirang henry ha ka wei ka benta kila ai ru ka jingkit bok kerbyang paundang la ban shakri kampha hadien bala shatan rong ya ka shuki nong yelam kum menteri sarkar na ka benta ka Ribhoi pat ka jila hi barok ka wei kinong yelam ka jirang NPP blong pat na Ribhoi ha ka ni ka sngi kum ka jing buram yo ni unong yelam kila ai ru da ka jing ai sobha pa pher yo ba sustenance sotun kum menteri sarkar pa thamai ba ringkat ka jingkar khu ka do undang la banai ka jing shakri ka ba khampha ye ki pai ba ka jirang Ribhoi par ha ka jila hi ba ka wei ya ka ni ka jingpan ko buram na plong hador par hol ka shnong new jirang ha ka ba ka la dan lang na du kinong yelam ke NPP jirang blong pa na Ribhoi ba kenthop yo ba balawan sim yong general secretary ke NPP jirang blong uba Nurshai Kharnayor general secretary ke NPP Ribhoi kinong kit kam ke NPYF NPWF kinong yelam shnong nambat ki riurang ba ka than Ribhoi samni haba kran ru hakani ka si na kalyang ba sasana sotun ulapen pau shishai ke min sim jong ka jingkaman bar ka jing songo halor ka ni ka jing ai buram yo u da ka party kum uta menteri sarkar bathamai bar ha ka wei ka benta ula kula ru kum ba ula shakri ya ka jirang constituency undang a shushu ka jing shakri ka ba bahatam ya ka them Ribhoi bar ha ka jalahi barok ka wei
Action
Sustenance,
Hakane kapon ni don ru kini ki paralok dan kuni ki bayawan nang yang batna dapat ni ya don hame kampun ya kaban ya simbetarang tapi no ni lokang ki long kuni ki babli bom tik bom na re dapat simplement ya kajing yo katerdam kaburum jadi MLA jami ya baru masuk di dalam tapi ti ngasmo kami kapon ya kaban kajing yaro ya i kami instan jami ibarat kami instan jami ibarat kalian bagi hati pon baru makna hati pon ibarat kursin ipon ibarat ni tentang dari iklan berwan menyerap dari insya naken ya katakan jin sistem ni insya naken ya kanong jins guna kajongi ilangwan kundi menyerap dari kursin ke namentari ni jin namentari ni jin dek dijampi ikam dijampi di operasi pun esa hakane kapon kaminta isuku syaiba tajira konstituensi lembaga kajong i
sincerely express my sincere gratitude for having me here today, Jirang Block, to share your jubilation, your joy, as you felicitate our newly inducted Cabinet Minister who hails from Jirang Block, Jirang constituency. As a district leadership, this is what I would like to share with all of you, dear NPP family members of Jirang Block, about Sir Sosthenes Sotun. I wish to say he deserves to rise higher and higher in his political career by virtue of his humility, loyalty, devotion to the party, and his passionate service to the people of Jirang Block in particular. NPP leaders, therefore, and supporters, you too deserve to be elevated and become the influential face of the party in Ribhoi. Your faith in Sir Sosthenes Sotun has paid off today. He has made all of you.
The next morning, at the time, when I woke up, I was thinking at the time, where to start from? Namun instan, konsensi kaya, ipat di babun, kajing sadin babun. I prayed to God Almighty. Ngabu at kijingway, kijingdapat uglay. Bonay na kijingstat, kijingsyamhang, kaminsin to kijingsoret. Bat kuno pangalaman ay kijingsyakri kababhakam. Bangyo kijingilay bat ki ministers. Bangyo kijingilay lang bat ki officers. Kuno ban pentelun di kakam kamtang di kampanroy na konsensi kejuni. Arja kapra atau arja apulai. Ke achievements kiba lingba kasoka lingba kejitrestam ke officers ke konsensi kejuni baru pro ngomong iba losai na. Ilarong kung ke model nak menjadi webat nama baru kekeren sebagai Jirang konsensi for the different developments that is happening between the year 2018 and 2023. But still, election is election. 2023, many of the leaders, especially people from outside our constituency, kamtam gitu kebenaran, apapun kinoyam, iru paumat, yoga Jirang constituency, 2023 NPP will not come. They said that NPP will lose the election. I will lose the election. But people of Jirang constituency, they knew better. Ipaipa yung Jirang constituency, kita kampamaki. But ngalayo yang banaya kejisikri na Ipaipa sun ada cara akurat kesin kepada second term, which you have put faith on me. But kajian nanti kejungi kamput nagayan cuma kumbu Emily berimba kejungi Kristong kejung Pinoy Lambaro with all the hard works, the collective responsibility of all the leaders, we could push to many developmental works. Ibur ki kampung roy kiba gilayo. Balik lang, bagi nongilam, bagi officers, kinongilam ng kapati, kinongilam siyong prepare, kibida na hangi, kisoda siyong, kisketri siyong. Ngayon kung unong ikmat, ubang syukwa ang presiden, yan ang inuro. But ka-practice ka sunaro, dalam punta. They had it before.